Yeah, what is that we were discussing in the last class? Do you all remember? Page SEO, correct. Okay, backlinks. Right, we'll deep dive into the different aspects of off-page SEO today. Let's try to understand what all has to be done and how do we get the domains to build the backlinks. Yeah. So we have discussed up to here all of these things. Not connected. So now. So which type of links to be built to the website to improve the crawl frequency?
So we can't see, sir. Screen is not shared.
Screen is not shared. No, my question, I'm just asking the question. Which type of links to be built to improve the crawl frequency?
Which type of
Links to be built to improve the crawl frequency.
backlinks only you showed?
Yeah, which type of backlinks to be built to improve the crawl frequency?
Quality backlinks.
So you are planning to build a poor quality backlinks now.
Following and no follow.
Which one? Which one should you be building in order to improve the crawl frequency? Do follow or no follow?
Do follow.
Are you sure, ma'am?
That way. No, but
Pakka?
we have to see no so where we keep it. I mean,
No, that's okay. First, tell me do follow or no follow. Do follow or
do
no
follow.
Lock कर दूं? पक्का?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's correct. You have one
Because
crore.
yesterday you showed that if
Yes.
you click that, you will get your website information in that.
Yes, 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 yes. That you all know that you have to build a do follow backlink in order to improve the crawl frequency of the website. Who is that? Madhu Kirti again. Okay. Yeah. So what should you be doing in order to build the do follow backlinks now? Don't tell me that you have to watch YouTube. Don't tell you have to watch Netflix.
No, in that context, that inspect you have to do that. No,
the right click inspect we have to.
No. My question, you are not trying to understand my question. I'm asking, what should you do in order to build the do follow backlinks? Should you become the
Get to
connector of
like,
the city? No, right?
like for example, yesterday you showed no, sir. You have to write some blog so that if you click that, you information will come there.
Okay.
Come.
Okay, if you write blog, you will get the backlinks?
I mean, if you
No.
for some keywords you can put no, not. I don't. I'm just guessing.
Okay, good try anyways. Okay. See, building backlinks, our main goal is to build links from other websites to our website, correct? Correct? So now if I'm a popular celebrity and if I just announce who all are my fans, give a link to my website from their website, there is a possibility that we might get link, right? Don't you think? Amitabh Bachchan has a website called amitabhbachchan.com. He will announce who all are my fans, who owns a website, please give a link to my website from your website. Do follow link, he says, he announces, give a do follow back link. It's easy, right? He gets the link. Are you all getting it? No, you are not believing in that. You don't think that will happen? Or can't that be made? If I am a celebrity, I might definitely do. If I have a fan following and if I am a celebrity, I might do that. I have a website. All of you build a give a link from your website to my website. A lot of people might give. Huh? Fans will give live. See, Amulya is telling. She is telling my fans will give live for me. Okay. So now, see why I'm taking that example is to keep the concepts easy and understandable. Correct. So if a celebrity comes to the public and says, "I have a website, give a link," he will get a link. Correct. That is one of the easiest way. Right. Second thing, you can do the rowdyism also. You can go catch hold of people who all own the website, credible websites. If you are not giving a backlink, I'm going to murder you tomorrow. Correct?
Not possible. Not possible.
Will you be able to do the first two things? The first person has no purpose. Second person cannot do our legal system. Correct? Doesn't let them to do that. Even if they do, they know their fate, what's going to happen. Correct? So we are not going to do first two things. Correct? We are going to do other things. Which are they? What should you be doing? So let's say I have a friend. Can I go and ask my friend to give a link to my website? Let's say all of you are my friends. Can I ask you, can you please give a link to my website from your website? Everybody?
No.
Why, madam? You can ask, right?
That is only if you're known, sir, but generally you
No, that
can't
is
do
what
it.
I'm
I
telling
mean,
you.
if it's-
That is why I took a friend. Friend is a known person. Now you all
Okay.
own website. I might replace a request to all of you, right? Give me a backlink, please. Whether you will obey it or not, whether you will respect it or not, whether you will give it or not, it's left to you. But I can still ask you, right?
Correct.
Correct. So in backlink building, we do this shameful act quite often. We keep asking people, give me a link to my website. And it has got an approach, and in that approach also tactical approach. There are various kinds of approaches. How you ask people to give a backlink to your website. It's not that you will watch YouTube and see from which websites you can get a link. No. The most valuable, the most useful activity is asking people, finding the website which has got good credibility and asking them, approaching them and asking them to give a link. Right? So, and you know your own friend might hesitate to give a link to your website, correct? They might also ignore, right? I'm asking to all of you to give a review to Google Business Listing. Has anybody given review? I'm happy one
I have
person has
given
given the
review.
review. Thank you very much. Huh? Yeah, please. You are telling something, sir. Please tell me. So now, see, despite asking, people are not giving for something when it's asked, right? So same is the scenario in backlink building. You will ask a lot of people to give a backlink to your website. They will not give it to you. Correct? But if I say, if you are giving a backlink, if you are giving a review to Google Business Profile, you will get 10,000 discount. Or I will give you 10,000 in hand. The possibility is good, right? How many reviews will you give? You have given, so you are looking for 10,000 now. So the possibility will be high, right? When there is a value created for the person, correct? Correct, everybody?
Yes.
So now you have to create a value for somebody whom you are approaching. You cannot simply go and ask. So there is a bartering system. Do you all know what is bartering system?
Yes.
What
Barter
is
is exchange of something. You give me something, I'll give you in return something.
correct? You give me paddy, I'll give you cotton. You give me curd, I'll give you milk. You give me coffee, I'll give you tea. Correct? So I am a carpenter, I'll tell. I come and do all the carpentry work at your home. You are a farmer. Give me all the grains or vegetables that you are growing. There was no cash transactions earlier, and people were very happy. Okay. Anyways, right? So now, any idea what should we be doing to get the backlinks to your website, to any website?
Mhm.
No idea. Amuli and Srivalli both are doing it since a while. What should you be doing apart from YouTube? Do you all like chatting with people, playing prank as if you are somebody else and fooling people? No. You like it? Huh? You like it? Okay. So now,
Long back, sir.
long back. Okay. Okay. So see now it's all going to be something like that. Not really exactly like that, but I'm using all of these statements, words just to make you remember or help you trigger the creative aspects of your brain, creative, like you will become more you have to be very creative in backlink building, right? So we're going to discuss some of these things. Identification and obtaining the list of websites. The first thing is you have to identify and obtain list of all the websites from which you should be building the backlinks. How will you get the list? Are they Shivaji Nagar market that you go roam the market and pick whatever you want? No, right? How do you identify the websites? So we are going to have an in-depth discussion about this as well. How do we identify list of websites? How do we get the list of websites? First thing. Second step, shortlisting of the websites. Study or assess the website metrics in order to understand the suitability or relevancy to build backlinks from such websites. So now first step is you are going to get list of websites. Second step is you are going to screening. Screening is you are going to assess how good or bad these websites are. Correct? If these websites are good, you are going to consider those websites. Correct? You are not going to, otherwise you are going to reject. Like how you have rejected so many marriage proposals for all the married people. And all the unmarried people, they might also reject a lot of proposals. He is not good, she is not good, I didn't like. Correct? Right? So same way, that kind of, why are you rejecting first of all?
We are not okay with them.
Why you are not okay with them?
Something
Fault?
we are not satisfied.
About
By
what?
the
Looks.
personality, behavior.
Looks, personality, behavior. Right, same way, see now Amulya has so many requirements: looks, personality, behavior, attitude, richness, right? Lot of things. So now same way here, if you have to build backlinks to your website, you need to assess those websites suitability for your business, right? A lot of them can be like how wrong people, bad people are there in the society. A lot of websites can be negative for your business when you link from them, right? You prefer, elders say don't do friendship with wrong people, right? Bad people, huh? Good friendships, right? So same is the case here. You have to build links from good website is what it's suggested. We'll see what is that good and website, what is considered to be as a bad. Getting the see, third step is you're going to get the contact details. So now first step you have got list of websites, second step you have assessed and shortlisted few, third step is you'll be getting the contact details of those website owners. Correct? Get the contact details or figuring out the ways to publish the link on those websites. Either register an account and figure out how to get backlink from those websites, or approach the website owners to get the backlink from them, right? After that, what happens? After getting contact details, you will be negotiating, you will be approaching them, you will be going and asking them, I want a backlink. It's not that you will go to them, you will write an email. Mostly all of this will happen through email. And again, here we will have a strategy. While writing emails, also, we will write as if you are doing the activity for, let's say, your client. You will use client's name, CEO of the company, CEO at the rate something, or CEO name is ABC. You will use the company's owner name to get good traction, good response. Correct? A few other people use English names, few other use English female names, right? So, see, there is a strategy starting from this stage. Are you all getting it, everybody? You all understand,
Yeah.
right? If you're speaking rudely to people, they'll not respond. They are trying to make it as pleasant as possible, the conversation, even giving that feel good factor to whom they are interacting with. Right? So we'll discuss all of them. I'm very at a top level, I'm just telling you. Content, topic, anchor text, and web page prioritizing. So from your side, again, you will have a plan for which web page you have to build the backlink, what is that URL, and what kind of anchor text are you using. Right? Prerequisites we are going to consider. Maybe consider this to be to shortlist the website, what you should be considering, right? Always build links from relevant websites. So you have list of websites, but you have to go with your shortlisting now, considering these points. Always build links from relevant website. Relevant websites indicates website which covers the topics or content about your domain or industry, at least which has the audience base of your industry or niche. You will be selling bangles and you will build a link from food company website. You are selling toys and you will be building link from food website, something that is speaking always about recipes. You are selling printing machines and you will build link from, let's say, some hospital website, right? So that is kind of irrelevant, right? Always build links from the websites whose domain authority is in the higher side. What is this domain authority, everybody?
Who owns the domain?
Domain has, good market value kind of thing. I don't know.
So based on the crawlability of the website, a score is assigned to it, which is called as domain authority. And this is actually measured using a tool called Moz. So if domain authority higher indicates the website is getting crawled quite often. Clear?
So it's like a reputation.
Sorry?
It's like a reputation, you mean?
No, it's not reputation. I have used the word crawl frequency. If website is getting crawled more number of times, the website will have higher domain authority. If website is getting crawled lesser times, the website will have lesser crawl frequency. Correct?
Okay.
So simply it's the score assigned to the website based on the number of times the website getting crawled. Clear? In the range of 0 to 100, 0 indicates the website is never getting crawled or rarely crossed. 100 indicates the website is getting crawled quite often, probably several thousands of times in a hour or in a minute. Right? Make sure the spam score is negligible or less than 5%. We'll discuss more on the spam score part. Heard of the spam score? Spam score is again a score given to the website based on the irrelevant bots visiting the website. If too many irrelevant, unwanted, junk bots are visiting the website, the spam score will be higher. Okay? So use appropriate anchor text. So now you are sending the user to online shopping website. So you are writing explore online shopping website and you have to give a link to it. Correct? This is how it looks like. You know that if you click on this, this will take to online shopping website. Instead of writing online shopping website, if you put a dot and give a link, it's not the right anchor text, or you might say just read. Right? Or you might just read go. See, you know the destination website is about online shopping website. Why don't you write online shopping website so that the person who is reading here knows that he is about to land to an online shopping website. If you're sending person to the training website, you write it as training institute. Correct? Right? So prefer the text that clearly describes where the user is going to land instead of just a generic text like click, read more, go, right? Click here, etc. Are you all getting it? That's about the point 4. Make sure the links are all do follow if your objective is to invite bot to your websites. Make sure the web page of the external website is accessible from within the same website and has multiple internal links pointing to that web page. So we were discussing this point yesterday. The page is orphan. You have built link from a page, but that page is orphan. Correct? So it is something like this. So let's say I am building a link to Amazon.com from the URL called Google Ads course. Let's say this is linked to a marketing. This is not marketing professional. Let's assume this is a link pointing to Amazon.com. Okay. But the problem here is Google Ads course itself is not accessible by bots from anywhere. Here it is accessible. But now think of this. It's not accessible here and nowhere. There is no way for bot to visit this page. Correct? And now what is point of you putting the link to Amazon.com from this page? Now this link will reap some benefit to your website or bot will visit your website only when bot visits this web page. Correct? Right? Hence it is written, make sure the web page of the external website is accessible from within the same website and has multiple internal links pointing to that page. So these are some guidelines you have to follow or cross check whenever you are doing a backlink. Make sure the web page from which you are building the link is always allowed for Google indexing and crawling. So now this page can be blocked for Google indexing and crawling. No index, no follow tag. We have discussed that earlier in previous classes. There is no point of building link from such web pages. Clear? Clear with the instructions or guidelines? Right? So now getting back to the first step, identification and obtaining a list of websites. There are multiple approaches or methods of getting the list of websites. So one of them is, how do we get the list of websites to build backlinks, is download the competitor backlink profile using the tools like Majestic SEO, Moz or Ahref. So now your competitor might have built links from 5,000 websites or 500 websites already. So if they have built links, they must have done a thorough research about the list of websites from which they should be building the links, correct? And if they have got the links from those websites, definitely they might give link to you as well, correct? Correct? You might think right now, let's say it's my birthday, I'm giving sweets to everyone. If I'm giving sweet to you, don't you think I'm going to give the sweet to you as well? And if I'm not giving to you, how disappointing it is, correct? Correct? But at least you are making a general conclusion here, right? Okay, so next is I'm next in the queue, I'll get the sweet, correct? So now these websites who have given link to your competitors, definitely there are good chances if you approach them, they will give links to you as well. Correct? Right? So this being the reason, what we do is, first thing we do is we scrape list of all the websites from which competitor has built the links, who has built strong backlink profile, who has built a lot of do follow backlinks to their website. We will extract list of such players, right? So how do we do that? So moz.com, you can go with moz.com or majesticseo.com or Ahref, SCMrush. There are various tools, but I suggest you to go with moz.com. I'll tell you why. Link research. You see this? So enter the website or URL to analyze. So which URL or website you want to analyze? So from this tool you can download all the list of all the websites from which Amazon has built the backlinks. How many domains are there here? See, domain authority is 92, which indicates Amazon is getting crawled quite often. The crawl ability of Amazon is significantly high, and they have links from 2,45,000 websites. 2,45,000 websites are pointing to Amazon.in, and the inbound links 170.1, that is within the website. Ranking keywords 3,39,000 keywords for which Amazon is ranking on Google. Actually, it will be in millions, right? So now you can see here how many links total discovered, the new links in the recent times. They have new links and lost links from these many domains. It means, so from these many domains, bot did not visit their website in the recent times. Why bot did not visit from these domains from which it has visited earlier? They might have removed the links now. right? And look at this, from what kind of domains? Top followed links to sites. They have links from, see now they have links from domains which has got domain authority 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. You will get the list of domains. We are not on the paid version. So maybe quick downloads, follow links. So you can download only follow links also. It might ask you to make the payment, follow links. You can download all the links that they have from different websites. You might have not got the data because you are on the free version.
So one more thing is, PA something, no? DA and PA they used for that.
DA is domain authority.
Page
PA
authority.
is page
What
authority.
is that then?
What is PA? See, your complete website crawlability is
I
measured
don't know. I
as
mean,
domain
I could see
authority.
that DA, PA.
Yes. DA is domain authority.
Your voice is not.
DA is domain authority. Can you all hear me now?
Yeah.
Everybody online joiners, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
DA is domain authority. Domain authority is given a score. See now, let's say school will have scores. This is one of the top school in Bangalore, best school in Bangalore. And inside the school, there are so many children, right? Every child might also have a rating or score, correct? So now same way within the website, every page also will have the crawlability. Every page will be crawled at a different level, and hence that is measured by a term called page authority. Clear? PA is page authority, DA is domain authority. You don't have to worry about the page authority. Always go with domain authority.
What difference I'm asking? I mean, what is page authority and what is domain authority?
I told you, right? Page authority is a score given to page, individual pages, and every page will have a different page authority. Domain authority is given to the complete website, and which is going to be the same. It's domain level.
Understood now.
I gave you the example of school, right? That's why school. What is the difference between school ranking and kid ranking? Kid is individual kids.
The voice gone.
The voice is not clear, sir.
Oh,
I think there's some problem in it.
problem with internet.
Yeah, connectivity.
Is it? I don't think so. It's all working.
I mean, your voice is fluctuating, sir. It's very clear and sometimes it gets loosened.
Okay, got it. But I'm not sure why it's happening. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's clear now. It's not always like that. It's going.
Sometimes it's breaking. I understand. Okay. So see, look at this. We have downloaded a list of domains. I'll show it to you, one of them. So you will get it in the same format. Here you have sample data, but now the list that I'm going to download gets you a lot of data. So they have links from all of these domains. How many? 2766. And you have the details of the domain authority as well, but then this includes do follow, no follow, everything. You have an option to download only follow links, all links. We have actually downloaded all links. And if you click on follow links only, you will get list of only follow links. We could have downloaded only follow links. That's how this would have been very easy to process or handle, right? Anyways, now you go through this list, you will get an idea. So this is basically telling your competitor has got links from all of these websites. Now you have to figure out how did they get the list. So now not only this, you will also get the information from which link the competitor has got the link. Linking domains. Uh, yeah. These are links actually. Links are something like this. Yes, these are links. Yeah. See, from this URL, they have got the links. You see here? And to which page they got the links? They got link to this page. Sell.amazon.in from business.amazon.in or maybe from this URL. You get the information from which URL you got the link and to which URL. From which domain to which domain. So you are getting links from flipkart.com to canadadigital.com. This is domain level. Now URL level is flipkart.com slash contact us page or about us page or top competitors or top affiliate marketers of 2025 blog post on Flipkart from which you have got a link to your website canadadigital.com or the URL. See, these kind of data will be more useful. Like instead of just knowing that you have link from sell.amazon.com, from what kind of page you have got the link will help you to understand easily. I'll give access to the paid version of this tool so that all of you will be able to download this data and process. Okay, and this tool is also helping top pages on this site, top anchor text for this site. So which pages have got most links? See, you have built links from 2,45,000 domains. But for which pages have you built links? Is it to the home page or contact us page or about us page? That information is here. Top pages on this site. And from which anchor text you got the link? No anchor text at all, 29.2 million. Amazon.in text is used. Now I was showing it to you, right? Anchor text. That blue color underline text I showed it to you, right? Clickable link. Now that clickable link, people have put Amazon.in, Amazon Buy Now, Amazon India. Or this is just a sample data and a lot of them have not put any text at all. No anchor text at all. It could be dot or just space hidden, something like that, right? And from how many domains? Most of the majority of the domains. See, out of this 2.4 lakhs, 1,60,000 domains has a domain authority in the range of 1 to 10, and 47.3k domains has a domain authority that is less than 20%. Domains, see, highest domain authority pages websites are very few. From only 820 domains, they have links from websites which has a domain authority of 81 to 90. You can download all of this data. So maybe whatever you download here gets you all of these details. All these 4 kinds of details will be in the Excel sheet. You see here, target URL is there, anchor text is there, correct? Date, status, activity, links pointing to the page. So this is one method using which you can get the list of websites. That is what we have done here as well now. You see this? We have downloaded that list here. Correct? So instead of getting the domain, you can get the URLs as well. Now what I'll do, stylist.com. How did they get link from this website? So this seems to be like a news portal. Contact us. So if your competitor has link, even you can get a link. See, they have clearly written, thanks for visiting our website. We are accepting guest posts on our website and we also provide guest post and link building services. If anyone wants to connect us, you can contact us on this email. You have to now take this email ID on an Excel sheet. Now I will be marking this on the sheet only. Okay. I'll write this column contact details and I'll have this details. Now I'll start sending emails to all of these people. Hey, I found your website. You have to speak nicely, positively to get a positive response. Your website is amazing. I see you have done an amazing work on your website. You wrote so nicely. Your articles are so good. I did not do that. I see a lot of such emails coming in, asking links from Canada Digital. We haven't put it anywhere that we will be giving links to your website, but people still write, right? So that's because we have written articles like this: top 10. So now people, whomsoever are finding this article, they will come and approach us and ask, can you please add our website also here? And here at the left bottom it is showing washington.edu, correct? Static. This will not change. See, if it is article, this article will go in the gets archived. New articles will keep coming, right? Right? When we approached, they said we will charge you 50,000 a month. We used to pay 50,000. So I'll show you that also. Enadu.net also. We used to pay. Yeah, look at the prices. Article cost 225. So this is something like this. They are going to write an article on their website, and now from somewhere they will put a link. Let's say this is instituted Bangalore, and they would link it to your website. And for that, how much is he quoting? $225 per article. So they will write an article like this, and from that they will give a link. So they are now making money because their website domain authority is 64 or 65, and they have another website, CAO Tech Outlook, $150. See, domain authority is coming down and the price is also coming down. Do you see that? And this has got domain authority of 11, and this fellow is quoting $50 for that. At $50 pen, you will get links from very good websites. You don't have to go with 11 domain authority. Getting it? How is this business or industry? So now look at this text ad again: $500, $900, $1,650. Text ad, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. For 3 months, he is charging text ad. So text ad is this one, what I have shown to you. This one. These are text ads. For him, he is calling them as ads. For something like that, he is charging $500 for 3 months, and for 12 months, $1,650. So that was another Enadu. We were paying 60,000 or 70,000 for that website every month for links like this.
For how long that means?
For how long you keep paying? Correct. If you're taking a ticket from Banashankari to HSR, you have to get down at HSR. You cannot stay up to Maradali. Correct. How long will you stay for Banashankari to HSR tickets? You will stay only up to HSR. So this will be month-wise deals. But this is overhyped and this is a scam. Overpriced. We used to pay, but there was no choice. We like to get the link from the domain which has got a high domain authority. But there are many other alternatives. See, this is how it works. So now somebody who has got the same kind of credibility, same kind of domain authority, they might be selling at just $50 or $10 or $5. We get links from websites who are charging $5, $10, $20, right? So now somebody who explicitly does this are called as outreach marketer. Their work is to reach out to people, negotiate, provide all these details and get the links done. Right? Backlink builder or outreach marketer, off-page SEO. These are the different designations of roles. Right? But now if you own a repository of some domains, correct? How you own? Now look at this. This fellow is owning by himself. He owns all of this list by himself. They have launched all of these domains. Now same way, if you look at Canada Digital might have some 10 domains. And if each of this domain has a got domain authority of 30, 50, 60, 70, Now we can also send it to people directly. Okay, we charge this much. Correct? Now you all can say, Manjunath, why I will get more business to you. Tell me the price at which you are going to sell it to me. I might say, get a per link we will charge $10. You will say, yes, I will pay per link $10, and you will resell it at $50 per link. Getting it, everybody? Right? That's how you see a lot of people writing emails. We do backlinks, we do that, we do this. So this company called Tan Ventures. This company's work is only link building, and they get clients from USA, and they charge a bomb, and they have got 4 to 5 offices across South India. Bangalore one office, Coimbatore one office. So they will what they will do, So now they will see Canada Digital. They'll understand who is Canada Digital competitor, and they will get the reports, Ahref reports, and they will tell, look at this, your competitor has got links from so many good websites, and your lot of keywords pertaining to your website are ranking. It's so and so position in third page, fourth page. So if you opt link building services from us, or we can get you to the first page is what they will tell. And for link building, they will quote $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. People pay.
In India also instead of Canada, the use dollars.
For in this domain building. Okay. So I know a lot of people have made very good career in it, but it is not a cup of tea for everybody. Somebody who are very, you call it right, chalu, right? So you have to be super smart in dealing with these kinds of things. So you should not feel like, okay, I'm getting it at $10, I should not be charging $40 to them. You have to treat it as a business. That's when you will be able to do it. Okay, I got it at $10. Okay, $1 is fine. I'll sell it at $1 profit. $11. No, you have put so much effort, right? In finding that client, researching, having your website, or marketing yourself, or whatsoever is needed. Even you have to survive. You have to get paid for your effort. Correct? You might have to make 1 lakh to take care of your survival every month. Correct? Clear, everybody? Anybody has questions? So today you have understood how do we get the list of domains. So in the next class we'll understand how do we finalize. See, now this client has got so many websites, correct? They have links from 2000 plus websites. Should you be also building links from all of these websites? No, straight away you can eliminate websites which has got, see, you might have to sometimes review them manually. There is a checklist to understand if these websites are really good websites or bad websites. Domain authority is not the indicator to consider that to build backlinks to your website. Domain authority is not always the indicator. See, now these websites also has got links from so many other websites. You see that? India.com has got links from 1,51,977 websites. That's how India.com is getting scrolled quite often. Right? So 90 is the DA of India.com. Understood, everyone? So how is your backlink topic discussion?
But where do we get all these websites?
I told you we use in title, in description. There are some parameters, search parameters. We call them as.
Creating backlinks only where do we get websites?
So now I will send you this list. I showed it to you, right? I showed you the list of domains, correct? Moz, yes, say Moz. So I'll send you all these domains. You can get all of them to one single sheet, remove duplicates, take their contact details and write an email. And you don't know how to write an email. So we have the discussion how to write an email. I'll just quickly scroll and show it to you. We'll have an in-depth discussion from the coming classes. So now this is one process, getting links from Moz or Ahref or Majestic SEO. Majestic.com. It is now Majestic.com. It's not Bangalore Majestic. The tool name is Majestic SEO. Now they have named it as Majestic. Using the search parameters and we scrape the website. See, now there are so many websites which are inviting you to contribute on their websites. So you type in Google in title colon write for us, and you will get to see list of all the websites who are accepting writing right for different business, and you will collect money from those businesses. Just become a guest author on all of these websites, right? You create a profile on this website, become a guest author, follow their guidelines, and become a guest author on this website. Now you come to Manjunath and tell me, Manjunath, I'll get an article for you. How much will you pay? I'll get an article on webengage.com. I'll get a do follow backlink to your website. And I will charge $100 for it. Is what you're going to tell to me. Why and how you are able to charge is, you have utilized an option that anybody can sign up an account on their website. Become a guest author on their website. You have become a guest author on their website and you will contribute an article on their website. You will write a very detailed, well-researched article on their website. In that article, you will insert a link, Canada Digital's link. And you will show to Manjunath, Manjunath, look at this. I have inserted Canada Digital's link. It's a do follow backlink, pay me $500. No, I will say, no, I don't pay 500, it's too much. Now you will tell, look at this, traffic is 3 million traffic, they have got 3 million traffic, it's a do follow backlink. Their domain authority is 90, you will benefit a lot, you will get that, you will get this. You will start speaking, you will start selling, all of that. Online journeys, are you all following it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So you can become a guest author on many platforms or websites like this. So some guidelines will be very strict. You cannot write some random, preferably 1300 words. They look for domain expertise as well. You have to go through this list, go visit these websites, maintain list of all these websites and their guidelines. Why can't Canada Digital have a guest author account on this portal with the name of some pseudo account, person's account? We have so many email IDs, right? It's not with the name of company. You can have it in the name of some 10 pseudo IDs, 30 pseudo IDs are there. Become authors on these all websites. Get the relevant quality content for these websites, so that we can build links to our clients and to our own businesses from these websites. Correct? The contentpanel.com, freelance writing jobs, write for us. They're all accepting content. Even if we put write for us on our website page, so many people will come and approach us. I will contribute on your website. We can welcome them. So not only this, there's so many other parameters. In title, write for us, contribute, in title, in URL. So scrape the web results for the selected and relevant information queries. So now what we will do is we will scrape this data. How do we scrape is, we will get a download button here when we sign up for the Moz. Moz paid version will help you to download all the search results. We can set the search results to 200 results in the web page, in the settings, tools. So somewhere we can set it up and we can download 200, 300 results at one go. Hello. Yes. Your name, please. No question. Shall I call you back in the next 10, 15 minutes if you don't mind? Shall I call you back in the next 10, 15 minutes if you don't mind? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So that is second method. Search parameters, right? And you will download. Display Planner was helping us with the list of the websites, and I don't think this is available anymore. We'll look into it in the next class if it is available. Right? Now we are also discussing, see now you have downloaded so many websites from competitors report, from the search results, right for us. You cannot build links from all the websites. Why? We have a discussion, detailed discussion, why you cannot build links from all the websites. Right? And what all you should be considering to build the backlinks, we have that list as well. Right? And once you have the list of domains, what is next? You will create, you will connect, you will approach, you will start speaking to them, right? And we are also speaking about how do we improve the bargaining power. Now you will approach a website owner, they will say, so I'll charge $10. Somebody who has told $100, we have brought it down to only $5. They will say, I will give you a backlink, I'll allow you to write on my website and give a backlink, but I'll charge $100. We'll bring it down to $5. How? What complicated? You go and bargain with this fruit bandi or tomato shop. They will tell 50 rupees kg. Go and bargain and get it at 5 rupees. We'll see. Go and exhibit your communication skills. Huh? They will slap and send. ಏ ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ correct. Even with those people you can bargain. You should know how to bargain. With anybody you can bargain and you can get the deal done. So that bargaining skill is very very important. Here we are going to discuss few tips on it, right? So again, this is not a cup of tea for everybody. That's a inbuilt art or skill for few people, correct? So I don't know how many of you here are good at bargaining. Anybody has that confidence, self-confidence that I'm very good at bargaining?
Yeah, I'm good at marketing. The marketing.
I can do, I feel. I can bargain.
Okay. We'll see. We'll discuss all these concepts in the coming class, and we'll see who has got the good bargaining power.
Okay.
Okay. So it's clear, right? Whatever we have discussed today, all of you have understood, right? Both offline joinees and online joinees. Everyone?
Yes, sir.